is for the night cruise. Night ocean cruise. We're going to ocean version night cruise. Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today guys, mag-unboxing tayo. Ito yung aking present from Riza. So, ano lang daw to, pre-birthday present. So, yan siya guys. Bubuksan natin kung ano yung laman. Wow! Happy birthday! 50th birthday! Ayan. So, ang ganda naman. Wow. Yan guys, oh. 50. Wow. A cup. Oh, beautiful. This is 50. Wow. Yan, nilagay muna natin siya dyan. Then next. Wow, Blossom Shower Gel. Yan siya guys. Ganda, diba? Blossom Shower Gel. Ito naman. Wow. Hand cream from Oriflame. Ano natin? Oops. Bango. Bango niya guys. Bango. Wow. Thank you, Riza. Oh my God. Ayun na masarap. So, ito naman ay, oh wow, Ted Baker, London. Very nice. Ito yung aking makeup bag, or this is pouch bag, wash bag. Yan, lalagay ko dyan. Ganda. Ted Baker from London. Oh, another hand cream from Oriflame. So, yan guys. Ano naman ito? Bar soap from Oriflame. Yan, soap bar. One sip pala siya. And this is the eyelashes. Daming goodies. And this is the jasmine and scented diffuser. It's nice. Yan. Yan. Yung scented diffuser. Gagamitin ko to for the house. Ayan. Wow. Thank you so much, my BFF Riza Feliciano, for all these lovely goodies here. So, I got a wash bag from Ted Baker. I have the 50 happy birthday special cup. This is from Oriflame shower gel. And I have the bar soap. And I have the hand cream. Then I have the Blossom hand cream. And I got a nice jasmine diffuser and scented diffuser. And I got this nice lashes. So, yan guys, yung aking first unboxing birthday present from Riza Feliciano, UK. Thank you for watching guys. I'll see you again. Bye!